from Colorado, and we bought ours 3 years ago. We had an old building that had a cement floor and a cinder block foundation. We tore that building down and we bought this greenhouse, put it on that cement floor, which makes it very easy to take care of, very easy to clean, just a hose and a broom. We built our own planter boxes. But the greenhouse we purchased was a Virtue 9x14, the complete kit, with the windows, the solar fan, or the solar fan, the window louver in the back, and all the shelves. And those shelves come in very handy when you get a lot of plants growing in here. Vegetables and flowers. We grow a lot of that. We have the shelf that sits on the side that we set up in the spring, put all our starters on it. Once they get going, we bring in pots and set them on the ground. Take those starters and repot them into the pots because there's plenty of room for them. Take that shelf out and put it away for the summer. Again, we reinstall it in the spring. We brought in a table with the sink. Just run a hose to it in the summer. It's easy to wash your vegetables, clean up your hands. The only thing left growing from this growing season is some dill, and as you could tell, it grew very well. In eastern Colorado, it's hard to grow things outside. We have so much wind, hot wind in the summer. A lot of hailstorms. This has saved our plants many times over the past few years. ClimaPod, it truly is one of the best investments we've ever made.